Oh my. Hello? Oh my. Dad, come now.
Huh? What is that? Sophia, come down.
What happened?
It's a baby owl. Jack, wake up. Jack, wake up.
Whoa, those eyes.
Is it hurt?
Don't touch it yet.
It's so small.
1, 2 tiny toes.
Where did it come from?
Maybe from up there.
It can't fly.
We need to help it.
Okay, let's think.
It's a barn owl.
Hello, Hootie.
Maybe 2 weeks old?
I can't find it. Pip doesn't like it.
It's okay, Pip. Easy.
Let's see if it's okay.
It said no.
Did it just talk?
What do owls eat?
Mice? Oh no!
We don't have mice.
Small pieces of meat.
I have chicken.
Come on, eat something.
It's not hungry?
Maybe it's too scared.
Give it space. Step back.
Can we save it?
Did it sleep?
Still there. Good.
We need a safe place.
Like a little bed.
Be careful, Dad.
It's angry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Hootie, it's me. Good. You're safe now.
She did it!
Now eat, please.
Why won't it eat?
Will it eat this?
Jack, put that away.
Is it interesting?
So close.
It doesn't want to learn?
Don't try to feed. Call a professional.
Wildlife Rescue Center.
But then they take it.
Anna, listen to me. We want what's best, right?
Hello, I need help. Yes, a barn owl baby.
They asked something important.
Did you see an adult owl near the tree?
We didn't look.
The mother may still be close.
Owls don't always leave their young.
She might come back?
Maybe. We watch tonight.
How long do we wait?
Barn owls hunt at night.
They can hear a mouse from 50 meters.
50 meters?
Your ears are amazing, Hootie. Look, it's stronger.
Still no.
How long can it go without food?
Not very long.
You feel it too, huh, Pip? Where is your mom, Hootie?
I'll put this by the tree.
That's very sweet, Jack. Night is coming.
I still don't see a nest.
Dad, it looks worse.
It hasn't eaten all day.
What do we do?
Yes, it still won't eat. What do we do? Keep it warm. Don't handle it. Come tomorrow.
Tomorrow is too long.
The center knows best. We trust them.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Easy, easy. It's okay.
I'm so sorry, Hootie.
It's okay. You didn't mean to.
It's calming down.
We take turns watching.
I'll stay up.
Hang on, little one. What was that? The mother. I saw something last night. Her mother. She came back.
So is Hootie going home?
We don't know for sure.
But I love it.
Wild animals need wild places.
Love means wanting what's best for it.
When we let Grandma's dog go.
Exactly like that.
I want what's best for you. Call the center, Dad.
That's my girl.
They're coming this afternoon.
Jag, it can't read.
Maybe it feels it.
Maybe it does.
They're here.
Here we go.
Hello, I'm Cindy from the center.
It's a pleasure to meet you all.
Likewise.
You help owls?
Good. Wings are okay.
Oh, thank goodness.
We'll care for it at the center.
Can we visit?
When it's stronger, yes. There's something we can try first. We put the owlet back in the tree.
In the tree?
If the mother is there, she'll find it.
What if she doesn't come?
Then we take care of it. I promise.
Okay.
Now we wait.
Is she there yet?
Listen.
That's her.
Hootie heard it. She's here.
She came back.
It's gone.
That's a good gone, Jack.
Do you think it's up there?
Maybe. Looking down at us.
Will it remember us?
Maybe, in its own way.
Dad, you look like Hootie. Pip, are you happy it's gone?
Pip said yes.
What did we learn?
Some things are not ours to keep.
That's right, sweetheart.
And don't bump the box.
Especially that.
I kept one feather.
That's a good memory.
Have you ever found a wild animal?
Tell us in the comments.
See you next time.